I'm happy. You're Gilmore.
Oh, sorry, I'm Gilmore.
So it's Happy Gilmore. What have we got? We've got balls. Have you got the keys?
Nice.
The keys to the buggy?
Oh, the keys. I thought you said the teas.
Do we need teas? What do you use those for? I don't know.
To tee off with.
We're hoping the buggy has had a full lift. Maybe it's running 40s. We're looking at ups, downs. Do you reckon there's water crossing?
There's supposedly lots of them, according to Ron.
Okay, time to get the buggy. Let's go.
That's a better one.
Don't take your eye off the ball, Gilmore. Woo! I don't even know where that went.
My ball's in here somewhere.
What's that? Okay, baby. I think it'll be easier to buy some more balls. Where are you going? Oh, are we actually looking for the ball for you to hit?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, she's not keen on this thing being sideways.
I'm not sure about the angle. I don't think the GoPro's going to do it justice, but we are on an incline.
This is the master showing the student.
Hey, you've got in the bushes. Woohoo! Hey! Out the open, it's on the fairway. I'm pretty happy. Happy's happy. Bit far.
That's good.
Ah, so close, Dad.
Still get a par that. I'll still get a par, yeah.
Doesn't drive too bad, I've got to say. It's not Brucey, but we're doing all right.
It's your game, babes.
I know. Yep, yep, she's on the green almost. Woo!
We'll turn the camera off now.
Oh.
Who wants to see this?
All spectators, please be quiet for Gilmore. Spectators, please be quiet for Gilmore. Oh, fuck! Fuck!
So close.
That actually just skimmed me here.
Yeah.
Why you got your foot on the accelerator? Watch out!
Is that my ball? No, that's Ron's.
That's mine.
Okay.
You drive like a madman. You got the foot on the accelerator and I'm driving. That's mine. That's mine.
That's what I do tonight.
Holy moly. And you hopped out of it and didn't tell me, and you got to put the brake on.
For a little while.
off the accelerator.
Put yours.
Okay, take your foot off.
Plant it.
Hold on. Woo!
It's up here. It's up here.
Where?
Behind the tree.
My ball?
Yes.
It's videoing.
Over here. Over here. Over here. Cut in. Go down here. Down here. Don't go over that big front babe. People in front of you. There's your ball here.
Alright, here we go. We've just hit off from hole 8 at the Potty golf course. It is just a 9-hole course. As you can see, it's really picturesque. It's quite hilly. Love the buggy. You don't have to use a buggy, you can go on foot. But I definitely wasn't going to be doing that today.
Stop short.
Did it end up in the drink? Did not go backwards, eh?
Would have been on.
It hit the bloody Jeep sign.
Yeah.
It hit the Jeep sign.
That should be a hole from there. Hitting the Jeep sign, that went in the hole.
That's got to be worth at least a glass of champagne at the clubhouse. Let's go.
Cutter. Your dad's putting it
Oh.
for you.
No way.
Your dad's putting it for you.
Dad, is that my ball? So just to clarify, that's the Jeep sign there. Hit there. And then goodness knows where it's gone now. Ah, so close. All right, Dad, how's the golf going today? What do you reckon?
Absolutely magnificent. Had some lovely shots today.
We did.
We did.
I don't know if we ended up in the drink.
That's just a large ball wash.
Yeah, I got a birdie.
A birdie.
But it was actually hitting a bird.
Hitting the bird.
So we're nearly at our last hole.
We're coming to the last hole.
We're coming close. We've yeah, absolutely got to say, guys, when you're in Pottsville, come and play a game of golf, because you know that I'm not really a golfer, but hey, having so much fun today. So yep, highly recommend a game of golf.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect shot. Coming back.
How'd you go, Gilmore?
Yeah. Are you shooting from here or the lady side?
I might shoot on the lady side.
Okay then, babe.
Yeah. Now you want one the other side.
That was a
Where's
good
that
one,
go?
Len.
Okay, well this side. Yeah.
That was a big one. Dang, they left me behind.
You stop there, yeah?
I'm up there, Dad.
Yeah, but you have a look what's up there.
Oh no.
There's a big water hole. Where you are.
Oh no. Just when I thought I made it.
That's what you thought you made.
Let's go get another ball. Holy moly. Right, where's your ball, Gilmore?
Up the top.
Okay, I need another one. Mine went in the drink. How'd you go, Gilmore?
5.
5, top job. I nearly had a birdie, but it went in the drink. It's been pretty good, hey? How'd you rate the buggy?
Yeah, pretty good. What's an albatross?
Albatross? I don't know, is that a golf 10?
Yeah, it's 2 under. 2.
Oh, I reckon it's time we hit the clubhouse. What do you
Yep.
reckon? Yeah?
Go. Straight up, babe.
Oh, Dad's doing burnouts.
So are you.
Oh,
Go, babe. Just plant it. Plant it.
jeez.
Plant it.
You can video. Babe, stop it. My foot is on the pedal. Stop it. We're going to end up in the garden. God. Bloody hell. We're off the track. The buggy doesn't quite handle like Bruce. We're making my way up to the favourite part of golfing, to the clubhouse. Yeah, forward, let's go find Bruce. Where's Brucey? We're going to find Bruce. Hey, we found him. There's Bruce. Hey. What? I absolutely love the buggy, but I'm excited to get back in Brucey. So let's see where we end up now.